A fuel injector cleaner costs $8 to $30. Sounds like cheap protection for your engine, but grab the wrong one and that bottle won't just waste your money. It will corrode your O-rings, loosen carbon chunks that jam your injectors, and in the worst cases, send debris straight into your catalytic converter. I've seen a $10 bottle cause a $2,500 repair bill. 6 cleaners to pull out of your routine right now, and 5 that actually do what they promise. Number 6. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam has been trusted by mechanics since the 1940s, and the brand has decades of goodwill behind it. But here is the problem. Seafoam does not contain polyetheramine. It relies on naphtha and isopropyl alcohol, which can shift light surface buildup but cannot dissolve the baked-on carbon that chokes modern injectors. At best, seafoam loosens debris. That loose debris does not disappear. It floats through your fuel system and clogs something downstream. That is not cleaning. That is relocating the mess. In a 2-stroke engine or for fuel stabilization, seafoam has a place. But in a modern 4-stroke car with rough idle or sluggish throttle, it will not solve the problem. If the label does not list PEA as the active ingredient, it is not doing the real work. And the next product takes that deception further. Number 5. Gumout Single-Step Complete Fuel System Cleaner. The word complete on this label is doing a lot of heavy lifting. The formula does not back up. Gumout does contain some polyetheramine, the real cleaning agent you want in an injector cleaner. The problem is the concentration. Independent tests have shown that Gumout's PEA levels are low enough that a single treatment produces no measurable change in injector flow rates. And one treatment is what most drivers do because the label says, complete fuel system clean in 1 tank. I've had customers come in for rough idle diagnosis after using Gumout and expecting it to have fixed the problem. It hadn't. The injectors were still dirty. The marketing promises 1 tank results that the concentration simply cannot deliver. And most drivers never find out because they don't own a borescope. The next one is even more misleading about what's actually inside the bottle. Number 4. Berryman B12 Chemtool. B12 is not a bad product. It is just the wrong product in the wrong engine. Berryman designed it for carbureted engines, and it works well there. The solvent package is aggressive enough to strip varnish and gum from carburetor circuits fast. The problem is that drivers pour it into modern fuel-injected vehicles, assuming aggressive solvent means better cleaning. It does not work that way. That same formula is strong enough to attack rubber O-rings and seals on modern injectors with repeated use. I've pulled injectors from cars whose owners treated every oil change with B12. O-rings brittle, cracked, and in 2 cases starting to weep fuel. A weeping injector seal on a running engine is a fire hazard. Berryman makes a solid product for the application it was built for. That application is just not a modern direct injection engine. And the next brand charges a premium while delivering less than it should. Number 3. Prestone Fuel System Cleaner. Prestone earns trust in coolant and brake fluid, and drivers assume that carries over to everything the brand makes. It does not carry over here. Prestone's fuel system cleaner consistently shows up near the bottom of third-party PEA concentration tests. PEA polyetheramine is the ingredient that actually dissolves carbon deposits on injector tips and intake valves. Without enough of it, you are running diluted solvent through your system and calling it maintenance. I've done side-by-side borescope comparisons on similar engines, one treated with Prestone, one treated with a high PEA alternative. The Prestone engine showed almost no visible change after a full tank. The other showed measurable carbon removal. Same miles, same conditions, completely different results. You're paying for brand recognition, not cleaning chemistry. And the next product has an excuse for underperforming that is even harder to swallow. Number 2. Motorcraft Fuel Injector Cleaner. Ford owners will push back on this, and I get it. Motorcraft is Ford's own parts brand, but it has been a consistent underperformer in third-party testing for years. Low PEA concentration, slow cleaning cycle, and dealerships charge more for it than products that outperform it by a wide margin. I've had customers follow the Motorcraft schedule exactly, come in for service, and still find carbon buildup that a single stronger treatment would have handled. Ford's EcoBoost engines are among the most deposit-sensitive on the market because of their direct injection design. Those engines need serious cleaning chemistry, and this product is not providing it. The number 1 spot goes to a cleaner with a specific ingredient problem you need to know about before it goes near your fuel system. Number 1. Rislone Gasoline Fuel System Treatment. Rislone is everywhere. Discount stores, big box retailers, auto parts chains. It is affordable and the marketing sounds confident. That combination makes it one of the most widely used injector cleaners in the country, and one of the most consistently problematic ones I see in my shop. The formula relies on a high concentration of alcohol-based solvents. One use is not catastrophic. Used repeatedly over tens of thousands of miles, those solvents dry out the rubber seals and O-rings that keep fuel inside the system. I have had customers come in with fuel smell in the cabin and no obvious source. When we traced it, the culprit was micro-leaks at injector seals from long-term Rislone use. Fuel smell in the cabin is not a minor inconvenience. That is a fire hazard. And on top of the seal problem, the cleaning concentration is too low to tackle carbon deposits in modern direct injection engines anyway. You get a product that does not clean and slowly damages the seals holding everything together. Before the next part, hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's talk about the 5 that actually earn their place in your maintenance routine. Number 5, Liqui-Moly Fuel Injector Cleaner. Liqui-Moly comes out of Germany, and the formula reflects engineering discipline from a market where automakers take fuel chemistry seriously. Jectron is built around a strong PEA concentration, and the results in my shop have been consistent. I have used it on high-mileage engines with documented injector flow issues, the kind where you feel the hesitation at part throttle and see the fuel trim correction. The ECU is making to compensate. One full tank treatment moved flow rates back toward spec on 2 out of 4 injectors on a 180,000-mile Camry. That is real, measurable cleaning from a single use. Audi and Volkswagen have recommended Liqui-Moly products, and in a category this crowded, that endorsement means something. Customers who use Jectron every 10,000 miles consistently come in with cleaner injectors than anyone running the shelf brands from the avoid list. And the next one is the product I keep stocked in my own shop, because I refuse to be without it. Number 4, Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple made its name in high-performance synthetic oil and brought the same discipline to fuel system cleaning. Max Clean targets injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber deposits in a single treatment. I have run this through port-injected and direct-injected engines across a range of makes and mileages, and the results are consistent. Idle quality improves, throttle response sharpens, and on older high-mileage engines, fuel economy comes up within the first full tank. The PEA concentration is high enough to make a real difference in one pass, rather than requiring multiple treatments to show anything. It costs more than what most drivers grab out of habit, but it is doing the work of 3 products that only pretend to do it. And the next brand is the one professional technicians reach for when over-the-counter options stop cutting it. Number 3, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. If you have never heard of BG44K, it is because this product does not sell at retail. BG distributes almost exclusively through professional repair shops and dealerships, and that tells you everything about who it was built for. I started using it after a senior tech. I respected put a can in my hand and said stop using everything else. I ran it through a 2014 F15 EcoBoost that had been throwing a lean code and idling rough for months. One treatment. The idle smoothed out within 50 miles and the code did not return for over 9,000 miles. BG44K carries one of the highest PEA concentrations of any product you can put through a consumer vehicle, which is why it produces results that typical over-the-counter cleaners cannot get close to. You can order it online or ask your shop to use it at your next service. The price difference over cheap shelf brands is worth every dollar. And the next brand is the one that keeps showing up at the top of independent head-to-head testing. Number 2, Redline S I1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline built its reputation in motorsport lubrication, and SI1 brings that same standard to fuel system cleaning. The formula pairs a high dose of PEA with additional detergents that work across the whole fuel system, not just the injector tips. I have recommended SI1 to customers with direct injection carbon buildup on intake valves, which is one of the harder problems to address because fuel never touches those valves to self-clean them. SI1 handles it better than anything else in the over-the-counter category I have tested. Project Farm ran a controlled head-to-head comparison, measuring actual injector flow improvement. Redline S, I1 finished near the top. That is third-party testing with documented methodology, not brand marketing. For an engine you plan to keep past 150,000 miles, this is one of the best investments in the category. And the number 1 spot goes to the cleaner I recommend first every time someone asks. Number 1, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This should not surprise anyone who has done real research in this category. Techron has held the top spot for years, and the reason is simple: consistent and documented performance across engines, mileages, and fuel system designs. The formula is built around a high concentration of polyetheramine that Chevron has been refining for decades. GM, BMW, and Toyota have all recognized Techron as a recommended fuel system cleaner, and in an industry this competitive, that kind of endorsement is not handed out freely. I have used Techron on neglected engines with 80,000 miles of cheap fuel and zero injector maintenance. Borescope images before and after a single full tank treatment show visible carbon removal from injector tips and intake valve surfaces. Fuel trims come back towards zero. Rough idles smooth out. Customers feel the difference in throttle response before their next service visit. Yes, it costs more than what you are used to grabbing off the shelf. But Techron is the one cleaner where the price and the results are actually in alignment. Use it every 5,000 miles on direct injection engines and every 10,000 on older port injection setups. Your injectors will stay cleaner and your repair bills will reflect it. So there you have it. 6 fuel injector cleaners that are quietly wasting your money, and in some cases damaging the system they are supposed to protect, and 5 that mechanics actually trust enough to use on their own vehicles. If you have been grabbing a familiar label because the bottle looked confident, now you know what is actually inside and what to reach for instead. Drop a comment telling me which cleaner you have been running. I read every single one. And if you want to know what else in your fuel system is quietly working against you, click the video on screen right now.